Hey everybody, welcome back to Lemon Branch DIY. Today I'm working on my GMC Sierra 1500 and I came across a really cool hack that I think you guys might be interested in. So I came across this really cool product that I think is really awesome for the back of the truck. It's just a little accessory. It just kind of helps clean up the back of the truck. And it's just these little caps that just go in the back of the truck bed to cover these holes that are back here at the very back of the truck. So let me show you what I'm doing. It's really super easy. I will leave a link in the description down below, but basically all we're gonna do is these little guys right here. It's the American flag. I think it's so cool. You just shove it right down in there. Look at that, that covers that up. And look how sporty that is. It's really cool. I just want to show you how flush these are. This looks so good. It fits perfectly in there. I've got this on the other side. It goes in just the same way. What I like about it is it's showing the flag, as if it's flying, right? So it's the opposite on this side as it is over there. But look how cool that is. It's nice and clean, and it just kind of covers that all up, and I don't have to worry about anything falling down inside of there. So now I got an American flag going there, and it just kind of matches my American flag up front. I know that was a really fast video. Something so simple, but I just thought I'd share what I'm doing with mine, how I'm accessorizing it. And like I said, I'll leave a link down in the description down below. Thanks you guys for joining me today. If you did like it, make sure you hit that thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next project.